I'm a 22-year-old college dropout, and in the past year, I've turned $200 into over $1.5 million trading meme coins. But I hear a lot of excuses. A lot of people like to say that it's because I have copy traders or because people follow me online, which is why in this video, we're gonna do a secret trading challenge to prove that anyone can do it. The rules are pretty simple. I have 2 hours to make as much money as possible, but I can only start with $200, and I have to trade on a secret undoxed wallet that no one knows is me. Also, it goes without saying, but I can't create any coins. So this should be pretty fun. Let's see what happens. In this video, we're gonna be trading with Cupsy and DV. So you guys are gonna get to hear their comms, given they're gonna be putting in a lot more than 2 SOL in their trading. But you know, we're gonna see if we can run it up and maybe get up to size at the end of the video. So let's start the timer and yeah, let's go. Before we start, make sure to download Terminal. It's the trading software that we're using in this video. And if you want to get started trading, I have a bunch of videos about it, and it's also just the best place to trade. You can find all of the links that you need at ethanprosper.com. But anyways, let's get started. And we're gonna create the wallet so you guys know that it's completely fresh. I'm gonna go to new wallet. All right, Solana trading challenge, create wallet. Bang, it's created. Now I'm going to be funding it from my main wallet, and I'll fund it with 2 SOL. And all this is done using the Terminal app. Use my code, link is in the description, or at ethanprosper.com. And yeah, so trading challenge funded, 2 SOL. Let's go. We're also gonna have to edit our settings. So I'm gonna be changing my quick buy probably to 0.35, honestly. And then my preset, I'm gonna move it to this one, which is cheap, 0.00. Okay, I'm gonna add I'm gonna just lower this to 0.3. And then, I can't be doing 0.1 here either. So we're gonna do this. So those are the fees I'm gonna be using. They have to be a lot lower so I don't get screwed paying fees. Also, something you guys are gonna notice is I'm an incredibly patient trader, especially now. Oh wait, Monet. I'll buy this first one because I know it's dead. So maybe someone will bite. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Okay, we lose 0.02 on each buy. That's okay. 1.97. Yeah, 0.3. I can do that. Okay, is this insane?
Front run virality.
Okay, let's see if I can get like a 2x off of this. I'm up 22% already. Oh no, now they're watching supply. I'm gonna have to get out quick. Ooh. Okay, this is just not moving. Okay, whatever. This is farm. I'm not gonna. Okay, we lost 0.1. Okay. Dang, guys. Took our first loss. Swag coin. I'll buy this. Come on. Something. Alright, bro. We're literally only buying new pairs here. Come on. Something, guys. Please. Oh my god, swag. They're sending it up. Damn, guys. Come on. Nothing. Yeah, nothing.
That's 21 to 0, I guess.
I feel very, nimble with this low port. I feel like I can buy any coin and, not be noticed like this. And this is a wreck, so I need to sell immediately. Oh, well, they're sending it without me. Oh, yeah, this is the same guy that rigged it earlier. This might be something. This is a fake chart. Oh, yeah, this is a fucking full bundle. Oh, my God. Look, 38 wallets. Maybe that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna spam because I'm not really losing that much if I'm just taking chances on these insta volume coins. So if something does insta bond or go crazy, then that's a good cook off of us, you know? Come on, bro, please be not LARP. Oh, this is another full bundle. What are these guys doing? Oh, they're still sending it. Look at these. Oh my god. Yeah, if you're seeing all of these wallets funded by the same person or red or whatever, it's just don't even buy that because you're gonna get wrecked. Okay, let's get Susanito. What is this? Viral Roblox dog. Let's check a little bit in. Oh, I just caught a nice little bottom bid there. Hopefully, this is one of my gonna be a slower hold. Oh, look at that. We're already at 50%. Okay, I'd like a 2x out of this. Hopefully, we're up our losses. Okay, 1 candle, so I could just clip out my initials on this. Yeah, there we go. See, the cool thing about being super low is you can just sneak into all of these. No one notices you or cares. Come on, something. Oh no, please. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No. Oh, nitro. No. No! Alright, we just got drilled. Oh my god, DV just bought it. On our sell, he bought it. It was literally an XTX, which I held this for a second. Wow. So we just gave away the profits we made up here. I think I'm gonna just take these profits then. I don't want to be down too hard. Let's see what Dempsey is doing. Oh my god, I'm drilled on this. Oh, dude. Oh, actually, I dreamed. So we're just gonna send it. We just bought the wrong coin. Damn, dude. Let's see if it's real. Yeah, so it's just gonna go off of speculation. Oh, dream coin. This is a scary guy. This is a scary place to buy. I just feel like some tracker wallet would want to vamp here. Oh, yes. Oh, there you go. Oh, no. I don't want to hold this. No. Oh. Oh, I made money. Okay, good. Correction. Let's see. We were funded 9 days ago. AVX. Okay, that's good. I'm out. See though, guys, like I'm not scared to buy things because at the end of the day, you can take losses, but one good win is gonna make
with mass
back
dev went
all
to
the
40
losses that
mil.
you take, you know?
Alright, Coco's bombing.
See, if you guys, I'm very, very like quick. Like if I don't see immediate volume, I'm just not gonna risk it. Oh, right here, maybe. Come on, guys, please. Don't run me. No! Here's another 0.1 to the grave.
What the fuck is this?
Oh my god. Oh my god, we just made 0.6. And I cheated insta. Wow, guys. Okay, we made 0.6. We're in profit now. We're up 0.3. Let's go. And you saw that was pure skill. Come on. No, no. Oh, I'm drilled. Damn.
Damn, this gives me alpha, dude.
Unfortunate.
The
Right now,
cat
we're
with
only up
mass dev.
20%. Come on. Oh, there you go. Maybe. 1, 2, 3. Nope, that is just rape. I'm selling out here. Survive. Come on. Oh, this is a rug. Get him out. Damn. Now we're at $10. Now we're back to 2.07. Oh no. Come on, honest dev. Feed me, dude. Oh, there we go. Please. Someone feed me, please. Something. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. There we go. It's a 20% gain right there. Okay, solid initials here. Yeah, literally no motion. Okay, I'm gonna take my 0.1 soul. All right, back to 2.15 MTG. This is such a bad chart. Oh my god, I'm touched. Come on, someone save me. Oh my god, someone save me. Oh, it's drilled again. I'm out. Back to 2. I'm just a sniffer. Sniffing all active wallets. Sending tokens to every single wallet on Solana. Oh no. Oh no! No! We're just cooked. I'm gonna sell here. Just take my loss. Yes. Oh, rug chart again. There's so many of these. It's gonna be a rug. Yep. I'm so used to it. I just know.
Solana final boss, fucking live coin. It's cooked, dude.
Just got rugged again,
bro.
Now we're at 0.6. Oh, we just lost 0.4. That's bad. We're down our quick buy. Okay, come on.
A total of 5 chances to make money today. That's it.
I was gonna just.
Wasn't even on for like.
Come on, no one buys these. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I'm exiting there. Oh. Did it again the same shit? Yeah, it's the same thing. Just rugs after rugs after rugs after rugs.
She's running some
There's
cat coin.
Buttercup, and they gave it Mabel.
Come on, something. Oh, the dev instantly sells on me, guys. So sad. Just pure drill. Down point, everything. Claude. Oh, this is decent, no?
Yes.
He made a
His other
site.
shit's very.
for
Yeah,
the
his other shit's
Monet
very.
stuff?
Yeah.
So he made that?
Yes, his other shit. Yes, his other shit's very high.
Yeah, I went to like a mil, no?
Yeah.
Okay, we're up a soul. I'm gonna take my initials up here on my Solana here. Maybe I might just go back to break even, sell here, something. Yeah, I'm out. No. Okay, bang. Okay, we did 0.5. That's good.
Stop
That's
them,
a 2x. That's a 2x. Oh wait, this is a rug, right? Inferior. Oh wait, this is a vamp. Oh, I'm just gonna get drilled. Oh my god, it's gonna be so drill, right? Unless he named it. Doesn't that go really high instead of Monet? What's Monet at? 200k. No, I'm gonna get touched. Oh my god, I'm back to 2. Literally on the dot. Pump cup, come on. What is it? Oh, this is a rug. No, it's well made. Added. CA's live. Verified. Something more than 10k. Oh no. Okay, just buy sells, please. Why don't you ever do it? Yeah, I'm out. Wait, this is grind. Oh, the second group will grind. Oh, that's actually pretty good. It's never been done. Oh yeah, this is good. I'm gonna get rugged. I think it's good. So I'm gonna buy the floor. Maybe I'll buy the floor. See, this is the struggle also of not having a tracked wallet. No one is able to see that I'm buying this, and I think it's good. So I think someone else will probably remake it. I thought so, at least. And now we're down 0.1.
5.
I'm actually what's the 8
God.
HDN? You can
Wait, we
chill
got
out
filled at 10k. Oh, it's
there. This is
over.
literally you, bro.
He's on an hour now.
Oh, thank God.
What is it? What is it?
Thank God,
Please
we're
tell
back
me.
up,
Give us
back
the
up,
lore.
back
Give us
up.
the lore, bro.
I might have
Okay.
to sell here.
So
I'm taking that.
when I
0.1.
first started
Oh my
playing
God.
Fort.
So happily.
Oh, it's not
but
that
they
shit was
added the
that shit was
CA
hitting
on
like
this
crack.
point. Maybe I had 3 buy down here.
It's pretty retarded.
Dude.
This could be our cook of the day.
What?
Oh, I'm clipping on that.
What?
God.
Rooted in
Thank
filament?
God. We're so back. This might just be the cook of the day. Oh my God. I don't want to sell that much more, but Here, I'll do another 33. So we're up 0.2. We're up 20 bucks, and then this is our rest of our day's profit, and we'll go back to scanning, and let's just pray that this bonds and we don't red chip it all. Oh God, I might just take my profits here. 50 bucks. Yeah, I'm taking it. We were up so fat. We were up a soul. Oh, I got so greedy. I got so greedy. Come on, someone scoop. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Scoop the bond, please. This is literally break even. Oh no. No! Okay, Jane, come on. Oh, this is so...
There should be Sendor.
Oh wait, okay, good, good, good. Come on. 9K trade, I couldn't get better. I just know he just said, oh. Okay, 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 good. Good, 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 good. I saw my initials in one wick. This is good.
Alright, outgoing friend request. Let's see any updates.
I checked Elon's Steam account. Oh wait, that's Sendor. Oh my God, Elon's Steam account. We just, okay, we're risk-free now. This is Elon's Steam account, June. Oh, this is so good. Oh my God, this is so good. Oh my God, this is so good. For our last trade, we're up literally so fat. I'm saying 33%. Now we're up, we're literally at 0.5. I'm holding the rest. I'm holding the rest. I'm holding the rest. It should bomb. Alright, whatever.
Yes.
I'm gonna take out 0.4. Okay, we're up 0.7. GG. Let's see what it shows us. That's $117 in 2 hours, right? 117 in 2 hours. That is $58 an hour. And let's go look at jobs that pay you over 50 an hour. Nurses, MRI technologists, airline mechanics, civil engineers, human resources. I don't know if you guys see a trend with this, but these are all jobs that require years and years and years of like practice and studying and education and money invested in yourself. These are all really hard jobs where you're physically doing stuff. Truck driver, 50 an hour. Like, guys, we just made that sitting at our PC from starting with 2 Sol. Yes, it was hard. Yes, it was rocky. Yes, we had some good trades and some bad ones, but you guys get the hang of it. I hope that this was really benefit because like literally there was no advantage here. I traded, no one knew who I was. No one tracked my wallet. No one could have copy traded me. I had literally no advantage in this video besides being in a call with good traders, which you can do by going to ethanprosper.com and going to my Twitch, or just going on Twitch in general and looking at other good traders. Every single thing you guys saw in this video was completely and fully replicatable, doable, and fair. And then the big wins that we took just outweighed the losses, just like I was referring earlier. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and check out all of my links at ethanprosper.com. And if you want to see more videos like this, just leave me a comment below, and it really helps. I'd love to like hear more of you guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.